The Rack Shop is proud to present this Toyota Sienna with the bare roof. Now, Siennas without a OEM raised rail don't really have a lot of options, and this customer needed to put a cargo box on the roof, so we went with the custom solution. We utilized some of Rhino Rack's sheet metal tracks that get drilled and riveted into place, and went with the Yakima crossbars, JetStream load bars 60 inches in length, the SkyLine towers, and landing pad ones. So it turned out to be a really great fit. Since it is a custom option, we don't really have any specific weight capacities, but we'd feel confident with your standard 165 pounds evenly distributed. So this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete kit with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.